everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the last video of this 2020 year, so watch till end. So in this video I am going to disassemble the back section of the Avita Pura Ryzen 5 laptop. So that we will need a Phillips head screwdriver, which is a very common normal thing. So as you can see, so let us flip the laptop back side. But before that, keep a nice fabric cloth beside that. So these are all the screws, we have to open it. So first part is unscrewing. So I have fast forwarded this video for time saving. So let us unscrew all the screws. At the bottom side we have 4, on the top side we have 4, and at the middle section we have just 3. So total 11 screws. So pry the plastic bag carefully. So we have to pry it, like we have to pry the bag by using some plastic cards and even your nails, hands. But be careful, as it is a plastic, it can easily break away. It would be somewhat difficult, but try with a gentle amount of pressure. So yeah, once the bag is removed, you can see that this is the look of the Avita Pura Ryzen 5 from below. So we have a cooling fan and 2 copper vents and 1 main board, and everything is attached to it, and a main battery and 2 speakers. So one thing I have to clearly mention here, that we can't upgrade any type of RAM because the RAM is soldered here. This means we neither remove the RAM, we can neither install a new RAM. But yeah, we can upgrade our SSD. But the fact, as it's already coming with 512GB SSD, so at this price amount, this is top notch. So screw it back in crisscross pattern and never over tighten, as it is plastic. And I will always say that if you over tighten a plastic, then the threads of that will be removed and the screw will not again be tightened. So always tighten the plastic screws with a gentle amount of pressure only. And I also fast forward this video for time saving purpose. So as you can see, we successfully installed the bag, and yes, it is successfully opening, so nothing to worry about. So that's it for now, guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my work, and also if you have any suggestions and queries, comment down below. Thank you.